back, everybody. Here's another super quick fix, this time with a Zeiss Ikon Super Ikonta 531/2. How to adjust the rangefinder. It's pretty simple. This isn't going to talk about adjusting the focus of the lens. The focus of the lens we'll cover in a separate video. This is just to make sure that your rangefinder is set to infinity, because your lens hopefully is already set at infinity. So what we need to do is we need to decouple the rangefinder from the lens in order to rotate the rangefinder and make it line up with the lens. And we're going to do that very quickly by, number one, removing the rangefinder screw here. You might need a custom filed screwdriver to do this, because the slots are really thin. So I file all my screwdrivers down just for fun on a Sunday night. I spend all night just filing screwdrivers down. So maybe you could do the same. There you go. You take that screw out. Secondly, this black surround here, I've seen it in leather and I've seen it as this one is in metal as well. So you need to be careful when you're taking it out. If you try and lever that out and it's metal with a screwdriver, chances are you'll scratch it. So I generally just take a piece of double-sided or low-tack masking tape and just give it that one. Okay. Next thing to do, you've got two screws here. You need to loosen those but not remove them completely. Normal right-handed threads. Now, with all of that ready to go, you can go and find yourself something at infinity. Make sure it's a good 400 meters away at least. Rotate your lens to infinity. Hold your lens, and then if you turn the rangefinder wheel, you'll notice that the rangefinder rotates, but the lens doesn't. Therefore, with your lens set at infinity, you can go and look through your rangefinder and turn that until it's at infinity. Then they're both lined up. And then tighten your screws, put your cover back on, put your central screw back in. Bob's your uncle.